So we'd started looking at loops. So there's two types of loops, for loops and while loops. Let's do while loops. It's the same idea, we're just taking a section of code and doing it over and over again. A for loop counts for you how many times it's going to go through. A while loop keeps going until some condition has been satisfied. So I'm going to demonstrate that with a silly program where I'm going to count some rabbits, and I'm going to do a while here. While rabbit count is, say, less than 10, and put the colon on the end. So the condition is it will keep doing whatever I put in the loop while this is satisfied. And what's inside the loop is, if I put the colon here, enter, we're one tab in, we're indented. And I'm going to print out our number of rabbits. Print, and we'll use the F formatting. So there are rabbit count, rabbits. Okay. And I actually need to control that variable myself, whereas in the for loop, the counter kind of went up on its own. The rabbit counter, I'm actually going to have to make that go up myself. And the way we say add one in Python is to say plus equals 1. That just takes whatever value is already in this rabbit count variable and adds 1 to it. So if I run that, and you can see it starts off with 0 rabbits, because the value of that is 0, adds 1 each time, and eventually it's looping whilst the rabbit count is less than 10. When it gets to 10, it stops. And I'm just going to put one more line at the end here, print, and I'm going to say that's all the rabbits. And I'll just run it one more time. So it's exactly the same. And you can see that print statement only happens once. That's after the loop. The loop is finished. It did it 10 times. And then we go back one level of indentation and we stop right there.